What's up, guys? We're doing a mid-pipe on this M3 here, and we're gonna hack it up, install these, and show you just how it's done, and give you guys some sound clips afterwards. This is gonna be a Valvetronic Designs mid-pipe delete, and what it takes care of, my cameraman will follow me here, your secondary cats, the muffler, these could be resonators, but these two guys right here, they weigh too much. We gotta get them out of here. So to start, towards the back, you have dimples on the pipes. There's me 3 dimples here. Got some tape here to keep the lines straight and true. And we're gonna cut on the north side of the exhaust just because we know we can always cut more and not less. And so basically we've got these here marking right where we need to saw, and we're gonna get to it. Fingers crossed, baby. So you guys probably should be wearing eye protection, but I'm a beast. We've got this side down and accounted for. Straight enough. Onto this side, let's get it. Okay, once that's cut, we're gonna go back up north. And here you're gonna have 2 13 on each side, and we're gonna go ahead and crack those loose. Easy enough. Okay, we're freed up right there. Then it's gonna be this chassis brace. Okay, those middle two.
Yeah, you don't have to take those middle 2 out.
Just these. Wants to attack me, it's excited. That's gonna be getting replaced. Okay. Shout out bolster right here. These trays are perfect for holding your hardware. You're doing it wrong if you don't have one of them. And so from now on, it's just gonna be hangers holding this up. And you might wanna have someone here to help you, and we'll take care of these 2. All right, we're sending it. We're taking these hangers off. It's ready to come off. Okay, before we get ahead of ourselves, we got this piddly pipe left, and we're gonna go ahead and take it off. Now holding it on are these 2 13s. Okay. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, we're dropping a lot of weight here, and this is ready to go on. We're gonna go ahead and do this the right way. Polish things up. See how well this sleeve fits? Oh yeah.
Like a glove.
All right, we're gonna reuse our gaskets. Go ahead and slide them on if you ever took them off. So in preparation, we've got our sleeves right here so that once we're held on by the studs on this end, we can just slide these back and hold the weight towards the rear and evenly distribute everything. So be sure to just have this facing where you can access it. Slide these guys together, put it on. We got it squared away on the front end, and now towards the rear, we're gonna move things up and let these clamps hold the rest of it. And now it's just kind of fitting it how it ought to be and torquing things down. All right, guys, we failed to mention, go ahead and take these inverted Torx or star bolts off, and we're gonna remove this bracket because the hangers are of no use to us anymore, and this should fit all perfectly without it. I know, as professional as we are, we just don't have our proper socket, but you'll get by with an 8mm. These will come right off. Fit it up and get our nuts and torque it down. All right, you will want an adjustable ratcheting wrench to do this swiftly here. Now for here, we'll use the open end. So you're gonna wanna have all of these 13s on these studs snugged up. We're done with those. And then we're gonna go south of everything. We don't wanna see our hardware. So we've got our clamps up here. And be sure when you put this on, you've got it fashioned in such a way where it's oriented. And this nut here isn't accessed from either here or anyway over that over towards that side. Yeah. Okay, before we torque these clamps, we're gonna go ahead and put our nice tunnel brace in. Hand torque those. Not too tight. Just so when this is tightened down, it's not sagging too much. We're gonna stick something in here to shim it with this socket and get to tightening these clamps down, starting with this one. We don't want any exhaust leaks. That'll do. Now, final touch. Now we're basically finished. We're just gonna torque everything down, make sure it's all good. That sounds good. All right, guys, it's sat overnight. Let's hear a cold start.